Hello dear viewers. Today I have received my order. So this order is the Arduino basic kit. So here I have got this kit. Okay. So now we are going to do a unboxing, and I have ordered this product from Amazon. And actually this product original website is quadstore.in. So this is very basic to start learning the IoT. So let's open this box. And here I have this card, and these are the products I have been provided. So here are approximately 36 products in a one box, and here I also have a bill for this, and this cost around 2499. So here is the bill from the Amazon. And when you are going to receive this box, you immediately just browse their website, and there is a one unboxing challenge, and you can unboxing and make a video of that, and you will provide it with some gifts, and you can register your products for a 3-month warranty. Okay, so let's see what inside the box one by one. So here is a very basic, that is Arduino. So this is Arduino Uno. So this is our basic thing. And so even I just I'm a navy in IoT, so I'm just try to learn these stuff. So even some of the products, even I don't know that what are those products, but I think they have provided all the basic equipments. So I will show you one by one. So this is another component. Okay, so here are the some set of the capacitors. So here are the capacitors. This is ultrasound sensor. This is the ultrasound sensor. Okay, here I got a few LEDs, the LEDs bulb, and this is a Wi-Fi module. Okay, and I got these resistances, IC, and this is some IC board with LEDs. Okay. And this is the description about all the resistances. This is the card, and when you are going to take this up apart, fine, and you will have many things over here. So this is LED, okay, 7-segment LEDs. So this is a single, double, and this is the array of LEDs, and then few these holders, and this is again some breadboard with the reset button. This is the component, and this is to power up your Arduino. And here are the pins, so that we can use these pins with this breadboard. So these are the pins. Okay, let me open this breadboard. Okay, so here is the breadboard, and here are some ribbon cables. Okay, again this is a holder. Let's see, what is this? Okay, so this is, I think, LED. So this is a LED to display something. Okay, so this is to power up something with a battery, so you can attach a battery over here. And here we are having a servo. This is, I think, servo motor controller, and I also got this servo motor. Okay, so here we have some tiny box, and in this tiny box I'm having this one LED. This is a LED, and this is sir, I think this is a temperature sensor, I guess. Okay, so again the set of these pins, and another set of these resistances. So there are 3 set of the resistances. Okay, so here is the one this remote. So here are some other electrical components to adjust the current, or few jumpers inside this, and some buttons. So let's see what we have. So this is for varying the current or controlling something. This is one buzzer. Okay, we are having 2 buzzers, I think. Okay, So these switches. Okay, so these things we have got in our order. So I hope this is very useful for you. So in the next video, I will make use of this Arduino to bring some LEDs. So and when you're going to visit their website, you have to go to these links. So here we have their portal. So here we are having a quadstore.in. So what do you have to do? You have to browse this website and follow the download link. When you're going to click the download, you will have this warranty link. So you can register your product over here, and you're only having a 10 days to claim the warranty. And here is a unboxing contest. That was what a challenge. That is the context. So in this contest, so you are going to win some prize. They're going to set some prize for that, and after that you have to download this link, Super Starter Kit for the Arduino guide. So you're going to click this, and after that you will have this Super Starter Kit.zip on your desktop. So what do you have to do? You have to extract that file, and here you will have all the basic codes. So here is a very basic program that is blinking the LED on a Arduino. So let's check this code. Okay, so here is your code. So it's very pretty awesome kit to start learning IoT or on Arduino. I hope you like this video, and further videos would be on a practical basis, and you can order the same kit on Amazon, and the link is below in the description box. Thanks for watching.